In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas app to interact with YouTube videos in a more engaging way. This tool allows you to ask questions and gain insights while watching any YouTube content, enhancing your overall viewing experience. Whether you're looking to dive deeper into a topic or simply clarify something you didn't quite catch, the ChatGPT Atlas app has got you covered. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you have the ChatGPT Atlas app open on your device. This app serves as your gateway to exploring YouTube videos with a layer of interactive AI assistance, so it's a crucial step. As you open the app, prepare to engage with your favorite content in a novel way. Next, let's search for the YouTube video you want to interact with. This could be any video that piques your interest, maybe a tutorial, a lecture, or even an entertaining vlog. Use the search function within the app to find the video. The app should make this process smooth by syncing seamlessly with YouTube's vast repository of content. Once you've located your video and started playing it, it's time to take advantage of one of ChatGPT Atlas's main features. You'll notice a sidebar on the app interface labeled as Ask ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. Click on this sidebar to open up a platform where you can begin interacting with the video in real time. As the video plays, think about the questions you have. Perhaps there's a concept you want more clarity on, or maybe the video mentions an interesting fact you want to explore further. Whatever it is, start typing your questions in the provided space within the sidebar. The AI is designed to understand and process your queries in a conversational manner, making the interaction feel natural and intuitive. After crafting your question, all that's left to do is to click the Submit button. This sends your inquiry to the system, where ChatGPT processes it and provides you with a thoughtful response. The answers are designed to be clear, informative, and concise, aiming to enhance your understanding of the video content without disrupting your viewing experience. Throughout this interaction, keep an open mind and feel free to ask numerous questions. The intent is to maximize the informational value of the video you're watching and enjoy a richer, more immersive experience. This feature is especially beneficial for educational content, allowing you to peel back layers of understanding as you view. By following these steps, you're harnessing the power of AI to turn passive viewing into an engaging, interactive experience. The ChatGPT Atlas app is not just a tool, it's a way to elevate your engagement with online content to new heights. Enjoy exploring this innovative way to watch and learn. Happy viewing!